Here is the activity log. This is simply a record of all entries and changes to the grade sheet, should you ever need it. Effort. This is where you can put in effort that can be included on progress reports and some report cards. Your administrator can change these titles, and even the name effort can be changed to conduct or anything else, and these are school-wide settings. The comments section allows you to input comments using a numbered key or legend. Your school may or may not use these comments legends on your report cards, but if they do, this is the place to utilize those. Simply type in the number of the comment, separated by commas, and click Submit. These comments are customizable and can be configured by your school office.